students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 10 on chapter number 3, pair of linear equations in two variables, and we are going to do today exercise 3.6 from Ncert. Question number 1. Solve the following pairs of equations by reducing them to a pair of linear equations. Now here there are 8 parts in this question, and you will observe that in most of the cases you will have the variable in the denominator, that is 1 upon x form or 1 upon y form. So there is a way to do this question and we will simplify this and solve it. Let's do one by one. First part, 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 3y is equal to 2 and 1 upon 3x plus 1 upon 2y is equal to 13 upon 6. You will observe that there is 1 upon x and 1 upon y. What we will do is we will substitute this in a form of u and v. Let 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v. So we will rewrite the following equation. It becomes u upon 2 plus v upon 3 is equal to 2 and u upon 3 plus v upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. So this becomes your new equation. Now you will see in both the equation you will have LCM 6. So what I will do is I will multiply both the equations by 6 and again we will form a new set of equation 5 and equation 6, which is written as 3u plus 2v is equal to 12 and 2u plus 3v is equal to 13. Now in order to solve this, I am going to use elimination method, which means we will make one variable same so that we can find the value of the other variable. So in this equations, what I am going to do is I am multiplying equation 5 by 3 and multiplying equation 6 by 2, and then we will subtract it. That means I will be eliminating v as my variable. So my new equation becomes 9u plus 6v is equal to 36, 4u plus 6v is equal to 26. 6v and 6v gets cancelled after subtracting it, and we get value of u that comes out to be 2. Now this value of u which comes out to be 2, I can put in equation number 5, which was 3u plus 2v is equal to 12. With this I can find out the value of v, which comes out to be 3. Now I know 1 upon x is u and 1 upon y is v. I will find out the value of x and y by putting the value of u and v here. Now 1 upon x is u. What is u? It was 2. So 1 upon x is equal to 2. So x comes out to be 1 upon 2. Same way 1 upon y is equal to v and v comes out to be 3. 1 upon y is equal to 3. So y comes out to be 1 upon 3. So here we are simplified our equation by equating or removing the variables from the denominator by putting it as u and v, and at last again converting this u and v into x and y form by finding the solutions for this. Second part, we have 2 upon root x plus 3 upon root y is equal to 2 and 4 upon root x minus 9 upon root y is equal to minus 1. So we will substitute 1 upon root x as u and 1 upon root y as v, and we will rewrite the equations. It becomes 2u plus 3v is equal to 2, 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. Now let us make one variable same so that we can eliminate it. So what we will do is I am multiplying equation 3 by 3 and we will subtract both the equations. So your new equations become 6u plus 9v is equal to 6. 4u minus 9v is equal to minus 1. 9v get cancelled, so you can find the value of u, which comes out to be 1 by 2. Now you have value of u as 1 by 2. We will put this in equation 3 to find the value of v. So what was equation 3? 2u plus 3v is equal to 2 and u is 1 by 2. So by substituting into it we can find the value of v, which comes out to be 1 upon 3. Now we have the value of u and we have the value of v. We can find out the value of root x and root y. So let's do that. 1 upon root x was equal to u and u is 1 by 2. So what does it mean? It means root x is equal to 2. So if I want to remove root from x, I need to square 2. So x comes out to be 4. Same way 1 upon root y is equal to 1 upon 3. That is the value of v. So root y is equal to 3. If I want to remove root from y, I need to square 3. So y comes out to be 9. Next, 4 upon x plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3 upon x minus 4y is equal to 23. Now in this equation we have only 1 upon x as a fraction form, so we can substitute only 1 upon x as u. So we can rewrite the equation. It becomes 4u plus 3y is equal to 14 and 3u minus 4y is equal to 23. Now these are in the variable of u and y. Let us make one variable same, that is y. So if I want to do that, I need to multiply equation 3 by 4 and equation 4 by 3 and then adding, because one is plus and one is minus, that becomes easier for me to eliminate. So if I want to rewrite my equation by multiplying equation 3 by 4, it becomes 16u plus 12y is equal to 56, and I will multiply equation 4 by 3. So equation becomes 9u minus 12y is equal to 69. So y gets cancelled. I can find the value of u, that comes out to be 5. Now I will substitute this u which is 5 in equation 3. That was, for that, by putting into it I can find the value of y now. Y, that comes out to be minus 2. Now I have the value of u, I have the value of y, so I will re-substitute in 1 upon x as 5 and y is already minus 2. So the solutions of x is 1 upon 5 and y comes out to be minus 2. Next, 5 upon x minus 1 plus 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to 2. 6 upon x minus 1 minus 3 upon y minus 2 is equal to 1. Now we have the fraction form 1 upon x minus 1, which can be used as u, and 1 upon y minus 2 can be taken as v. So a new equation becomes 5u plus v is equal to 2, 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. So in the equation 3 we have only v, so I can make it 3v by multiplying whole equation by 3. So it becomes 15u plus 3v is equal to 6 and 6u minus 3v is equal to 1. So v gets cancelled, it gets eliminated. I can find the value of u, which is 1 upon 3. Now this value of u 1 upon 3, I will put it in equation 3. What was my equation 3? If you look above, it is 5u plus v is equal to 2. By putting the value of u, I can find the value of v, that comes out to be 1 upon 3. Now I have the value of u with me, I have the value of v with me. So what is u and what is v? U was 1 upon x minus 1 and the value of u is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, it becomes x minus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 4. Same way, 1 upon y minus 2 was v and v value is 1 upon 3. Cross multiply, you get y is equal to 5. So you got both the values, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 5. Next, 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Now how we can do this? I can separately write it in a fraction form. It becomes 7x upon xy minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Which, what does it mean? So I can remove, if you see x from the first one and y from the second one, it becomes 7 upon y minus 2 upon x is equal to 5. So I should write x variable first and y variable afterwards. So your new equation is minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 5. Same way I will solve the next one, that is 8x minus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. So write it separately. It is 8x upon xy plus 7y upon xy is equal to 5. So if I rewrite it, it becomes 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 15. So your both the equations are there in a fraction forms. There are both the ways to solve it. Either you can further take it 1 upon x in a form of a and 1 upon y in a form of b. Either you can do it in that way, or you can simply make the fraction same. So it is minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon y is equal to 5, and 7 upon x plus 8 upon y is equal to 15. Now what we are going to do is, I am going to multiply your equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 2 and adding both. When I do that, my x variable has come same. I can cancel it, I can eliminate it. I am left over with 49 upon y plus 16 upon y is equal to 35 plus 30. So I get the value of y, which is 1. Or I can also now put the value of y is equal to 1 in equation 1, which was minus 2 upon x plus 7 upon 1 is equal to 5. I can find the value of x, which has again come out to be 1. So there are many ways to do this question. Either you can do it in this way, or if you are finding it is difficult to solve it in a fraction form, you can assume 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v, and then solve it as we have done the previous questions. Next, 6x plus 3y is equal to 6xy. This is your first equation, and you see that there is no number over here. All are having variables. So we will try to remove variable from any one place. So for that, I will divide both the sides by xy. It becomes 6x upon xy plus 3y upon xy is equal to 6xy upon xy. So xy gets cancelled. So right hand side is only 6, and your left hand side becomes 6 upon y plus 3 upon x, because in the first one x gets cancelled and in the second one y gets cancelled. So I can rewrite it x in the first form and y in the second. So it is 1 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 2. This is your equation number 1. Now 2x plus 4y is equal to 5xy. Same way you are going to solve this. You will reach at the end 4 upon x plus 2 upon y is equal to 5, which is your equation number 2. If you look at both the equations, you are having 2 upon y at both the places, and if I subtract it, I can easily cancel or I can eliminate y variable, and I will be left with the x variable, and I can find out the x. That becomes 4 upon x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5 minus 2. I can rewrite in that form. So x comes out to be 1. Or you can also do it 1 upon x minus 4 upon x is equal to 2 minus 5. So minus minus will get cancelled and x will equal to 1. Now put this value of x as 1 in the equation 1. So it becomes 1 upon 1 plus 2 upon y is equal to 2. So value of y comes out to be 2. Next, 10 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equal to 4. 15 upon x plus y minus 5 upon x minus y is equal to minus 2. So let 1 upon x plus y be u and 1 upon x minus y be v. So we will rewrite it. It becomes 10u plus 2v is equal to 4. 15u minus 5v is equal to minus 2. Let us make any one variable same. For that, I will multiply equation 3 by 5 and equation 4 by 2. With this, I will make variable v as same, because one is plus and one is minus, so it is easy to eliminate. So it becomes, new equations becomes 50u plus 10v is equal to 20, 30u minus 10v is equal to minus 4. So v gets cancelled. You can find the value of u, which comes out to be 1 upon 5. Now substituting this u is equal to 1 upon 5 in equation 3. That is, we get the value of v here now. So it becomes 10 into 1 upon 5 plus 2v is equal to 4. So value of v comes out to be 1. So now I have the value of u with me. I have the value of v with me. What is u? 1 upon x plus y. So 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 upon 5. Cross multiply. That becomes x plus y is equal to 5. Same way, 1 upon x minus y is v, and v is 1. Cross multiply, that becomes x minus y is equal to 1. Now this is your new equation 5 and equation 6. You can easily use elimination method and y gets cancelled. You can find the value of x, which comes out to be 3. Now I will put this value of x in equation 5. So it becomes 3 plus y is equal to 5 and y comes out to be 2. So value of x is 3 and y is 2. Next, 1 upon 3x plus y plus 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to 3 upon 4, and 1 upon 2 into 3x plus y minus 1 upon 2 into 3x minus y is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So here I will assume 1 upon 3x plus y as a and 1 upon 3x minus y as b. So the equation becomes a plus b is equal to 3 upon 4. To remove the fraction, I will multiply 4 on my left hand side. It becomes 4a plus 4b is equal to 3. That becomes equation number 3. Same way, my second equation, if want to substitute in a and b form, it becomes a upon 2 minus b upon 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 8. So we will remove the fraction. It becomes 4a minus 4b is equal to minus 1. That becomes equation number 4. If you look at both the equation, you have plus 4b and minus 4b, which can easily get cancelled. So it becomes 8a is equal to 2. A comes out to be 1 upon 4. And this value of a I will put in equation number 3. When I do that, I can find the value of b, which comes out to be 1 upon 2. Now I have the value of a with me, I have the value of b with me. So 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 1 upon 4, that is value of a, cross multiply, that becomes 3x plus y is equal to 4. Same way, 1 upon 3x minus y is equal to b, and b is 1 upon 2. Cross multiply, you get 3x minus y is equal to 2. If you look at both the equation 5 and 6, plus y minus 5 gets cancelled. You can find the value of x as 6x is equal to 6, x is equal to 1. So put this one in equation 5, 3x plus y is equal to 4. You get the value of y, which comes out to be 1. So x is also 1, y is also 1. Question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of linear equations and hence find their solutions. Number 1. Ritu can row downstream 20 km in hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So let us assume the speed in the still water be x km per hour and the speed of current be y km per hour. And we know the formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Now when it is going downstream, it means the situation will be x plus y, because the speed will increase when you move down, you go in speed. And when you go upstream, that you need to apply lot of force for it, so it becomes x minus y km per hour as the speed decreases when you move up. So as per the question over here, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in hours and upstreams in 4 km in 2 hours. So let us frame the equation. So case number 1, it becomes x plus y is equal to 20 upon 2. That means x plus y is equal to 10. This is the case of downstream. When it is going upstream, it becomes x minus y is equal to 4 upon 2. So it is x minus y is equal to 2. In both the cases, y can get easily cancelled. So 2x is equal to 12. X comes out to be 6 km per hour. We can find the value of y by putting in equation number 1. X plus y is equal to 10. X is 6. So 6 plus y is equal to 10. Y comes out to be 4 km per hour. So speed in the still water is 6 km per hour and speed of the current is 4 km per hour. 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also taken by 1 man alone. So let us assume that 1 woman can finish the work in x days and 1 man can finish the work in y days. When we are talking about the time, it becomes 2 upon x plus 5 upon y is equal to 4. And 3 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 3. So it is in a form of 1 upon x and 1 upon y. Either you can assume 1 upon x as u and 1 upon y as v, rewrite the situation and you can do it, or you can also simply make any one variable same over here by multiplying the equations, and you can use elimination method directly. So here what I have done is I have multiplied equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2, and I have tried to make x variable same. So when I make that, my x gets cancelled and I get the result in y form. Y comes out to be 36 days, because if we look at the equations, it is 15y minus 12y. So it becomes 3 upon y, which is equal to 3 upon 4 minus 2 upon 3. So what does it mean? I will take the LCM and solve it. I can get the value of y by cross multiplying. Y comes out to be 36 days. Now let us put this value of y in equation number 1. That was 2 upon x plus 5 upon 36 is equal to 1 upon 4. So I can find the value of x by solving it. By taking the LCM and cross multiplying, x comes out to be 18 days. So therefore, time taken by one woman to finish the work is 18 days and one man to finish the work is 36 days. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partially by train and partially by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. And if she travels 100 km by train and remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of the train and the bus separately. Now we know the formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, because they are telling us in relation with 4 hours or 10 minutes longer. Distance is given, total is 300 kilometers, partially is by train and partially by bus. So let the speed of train be x km per hour and speed of the bus be y km per hour. So in case 1, they are saying she was travelling 60 kilometers by train. So 60 upon x plus total is 300. So how much she travelled by bus? 240 kilometers. That is 300 minus 60. So 240 upon y is equal to 4. 4 is the time taken. This is your case 1. In case 2, what we can do is 100 upon x plus 200 upon y is equal to 4 hours was already there, and they said 10 minutes longer. So 10 minutes means I need to convert it in hours. So 10 upon 60 I will take it to make it into fraction form. When I solve it, it becomes 25 upon 6, which is equation number 2. Now here I am solving it as 1 upon x as a and 1 upon y as b. Therefore, 60a plus 240b is equal to 4 and 100a plus 200b is equal to 25 upon 6. So this is equation 3 and 4. Let us make a variable same. So for making that, I need to multiply equation 3 by 100 and equation 4 by 60. Now if I make equation 3 as multiply by 100, it becomes 6000a plus 24000b is equal to 400. Same way, let us multiply equation 4 by 60. It becomes 6000a plus 12000b is equal to 250. So 6000 gets cancelled, and because you need to change the sign, and it becomes 12000b is equal to 150. B comes out to be 1 upon 80. Now put this value of b in equation number 3. Equation 3 is 60a plus 240b is equal to 4. When I do that, I will get the variable a here. So a comes out to be 1 upon 60. Now 1 upon x was a and 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 60, because a is 1 upon 60. So x comes out to be 60 kilometers per hour, and 1 upon y is b, and b value is 1 upon 80. So y is 80 kilometers per hour. So speed of the train is 60 kilometers per hour and speed of the bus is 80 kilometers per hour. That's all for this video, children. I hope you must have understood all the concepts very clearly. Here usually the questions come for long marks, 5 marks questions or 4 marks questions. So please practice a lot for this. If you have doubt anywhere in any of the part, you can always mention in the comment section, or you can also email me. Very soon I am going to come with the next video, children. Till then, see you children. Goodbye. Take care.